As the exhilarating moment arrives when your hard earned paycheck lands in your bank account, a world of possibilities opens up before you. From fulfilling your basic needs to indulging in those tempting desires you've been eyeing, the choices seem limitless. However, amidst this excitement, it is crucial to exercise caution and prudence. So today, I'll take you to discovering the blueprint to post-payday prosperity. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the Thrive Wise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Number 1. The elegance of simplicity. Amidst the allure of immediate gratification lies the risk of extravagant spending that can undermine your long-term financial aspirations. Once your paycheck lands, the urge to impress through lavish gestures may overpower your rational judgment. The allure of luxurious items, fine dining, and extravagant outings can quickly drain your earnings if not carefully managed. The antidote to this tendency is to practice simplicity. Rather than succumbing to the allure of extravagant indulgences, take a moment to devise a well-structured budget. Allocate funds to meet essential needs, allocate for savings, and permit yourself a measured indulgence within your means. The ability to differentiate between momentary gratification and sustainable financial health is a hallmark of individuals who successfully manage their money. Remember, it's the understated elegance of thoughtful financial planning that truly sets you apart and into the path of prosperity. Number 2. Affordability. The marketplace teems with alluring offerings, each vying for your attention and hard-earned cash. The temptation to acquire items beyond your means can be overpowering. A glimmering Rolex watch, a sleek new car, or even a dream home might beckon, but it's essential to temper these desires with practicality. Affordability serves as a lighthouse guiding your financial ship, aligning your expenditures with your income and financial goals, ensuring that you steer clear of dangerous waters. The ability to purchase an item multiple times without jeopardizing your financial stability is a litmus test for affordability. If an item strays beyond your budget boundaries, it's prudent to let it go. Maintaining financial stability is paramount, and the satisfaction of a fleeting acquisition should never compromise your future security. Number 3. The power of discretion. In the digital age of social media, the urge to showcase one's newfound financial prosperity is understandable. The desire to display stylish attire and prized acquisitions often takes center stage. While there's nothing inherently wrong with a touch of splendor, it's important to exercise restraint, especially when it comes to broadcasting your financial gains. Sharing the details of your earnings with friends and extended family can inadvertently invite unwarranted financial burdens. It's not uncommon for well-meaning loved ones to approach you for financial assistance, placing emotional pressure on your shoulders. A poignant lesson to glean from this is that discretion is a powerful tool in maintaining your financial stability. By keeping the extent of your earnings private, you shield yourself from the potential risk of unsolicited requests. The wisdom of wealthy individuals in this regard is evident. Rarely will you find them openly discussing their financial status. The key takeaway here is to enjoy your earnings while ensuring your financial security remains intact. Number 4. Steering clear of the temptation of quote-unquote good deals. The modern marketplace is a labyrinth of alluring offers and discounts, often leaving even the most discerning individuals susceptible to impulsive purchases. Advertisements showcasing seemingly unbeatable deals can easily sway our decisions, leading us to acquire items we never intended to buy. This savings pitfall can cloud our judgment, causing us to prioritize immediate gains over long-term financial goals. It is imperative to resist this temptation. While the prospect of a bargain might seem appealing, it's crucial to assess whether the purchase aligns with your genuine needs and financial plan. Purchasing an item solely because it's on sale without considering its relevance to your budget can undermine your financial stability. Remember, a true deal is one that complements your financial objectives and contributes meaningfully to your overall well being. Number 5, the power of intention. As we delve deeper into the realm of financial wisdom, it becomes evident that intentionality is a cornerstone of successful money management. Beyond mere tracking, it is imperative to assign purpose to each facet of your financial life. So, segregating your savings into distinct categories such as emergency funds, retirement, and short term goals enables you to nurture each aspect with precision and care. This deliberate approach prevents your savings from becoming a haphazard accumulation and minimizes the risk of misallocation. By earmarking funds for specific purposes, you enhance your ability to achieve financial milestones and safeguard your aspirations. Just as a gardener tends to different plants with individualized care, you must cultivate your financial garden with tailored attention, ensuring each facet thrives and flourishes. By the way, if you're enjoying this video, please take a moment to like and subscribe. It really helps us spread the Thrive Wise love, so we can help more people thrive wisely. And going back, number 6, maintaining a laser focus. A cardinal rule of responsible money management is maintaining a keen awareness of your financial inflows and outflows. Whether your income is substantial or modest, vigilance in monitoring your financial transactions is paramount. Ignoring the details of your personal expenditures is akin to navigating treacherous waters blindfolded. It's a recipe for financial disaster. So to combat this, establish a comprehensive budget that outlines both your income and expenses. Regularly updating this budget to reflect your financial realities can ensure that your spendings align with your priorities. By tracking each dollar that enters and exits your accounts, you gain a clear view of your financial landscape. This empowers you to make informed decisions, allocate resources judiciously, and progress confidently towards your financial aspiration. Number 7, discernment. The act of loaning money to others can both be benevolent and perilous. While extending a helping hand to family and friends in times of need is commendable, exercising discernment in this regard is imperative. Frequent or unchecked lending can strain your financial resources and create an unhealthy dependency dynamic. Closely intertwined with the principle of discretion, the decision to lend money requires careful consideration. Evaluate the financial responsibility and track record of the borrower, ensuring that your generosity does not inadvertently compromise your own financial security. Setting clear terms and expectations for loan repayment is essential for maintaining healthy relationships and preserving your financial equilibrium. Number 8, restraint. A common pitfall that many individuals encounter is the allure of serial spending. A seemingly innocuous purchase of small items that fall outside our budget can accumulate over time, stealthily eroding our financial resources. While these expenditures may appear inconsequential in the moment, a retrospective review of your financial habits often reveals their true impact. To counter this tendency, cultivating a strong sense of restraint is essential. Regularly assessing your spending, tracking every expense, and holding yourself accountable for every dollar that leaves your pocket is something you must always take into account. This practice not only curbs frivolous spending, but also provides a clear picture of where your money is truly going. By nurturing discipline in your spending habits, you fortify the foundation of your financial future. Number 9, accountability. The ebb and flow of monthly expenses can sometimes lead to the accumulation of debts. Whether it's a credit card balance, a loan from a friend, or an outstanding bill, ignoring these financial obligations can have far-reaching consequences. So acknowledging and addressing your debts head-on is a crucial step in ensuring your financial stability. A practical approach to managing debt involves creating a comprehensive debt repayment plan. You begin by listing all outstanding debts, categorizing them based on their magnitude and interest rates. Prioritize paying off smaller debts first, thereby alleviating your financial burden gradually. For larger debts, consider negotiating feasible payment arrangements. By adhering to your debt repayment plan, you not only honor your financial commitments, but also improve your creditworthiness, setting the stage for favorable financial opportunities in the future. Number 10. The quest for knowledge. In the ever-evolving landscape of personal finance, the acquisition of knowledge is a catalyst for informed decision-making and lasting prosperity. In an age where financial products, investment opportunities, and economic trends rapidly shift, complacency can prove detrimental. To ensure that your financial ship remains on course, you must commit to a journey of continuous learning. Equip yourself with the knowledge to discern between sound financial advice and fleeting fads. Explore literature, attend seminars, and engage with reputable financial resources to expand your understanding of money management, investment strategies, and wealth accumulation. Embracing a growth mindset in your financial endeavors enables you to adapt to changing circumstances, capitalize on emerging opportunities, and make choices that resonate with your long-term goals. Well, that's basically discovering the blueprint to post-payday prosperity. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch it to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.